Hello everyone, let's study the theorem of areas of similar triangle from the chapter similarity. Here, to save the time, I have drawn the figure. These two figures, and here what is given, what is the statement of the areas of a similar triangle? Statement of these areas of a similar triangle. When these two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Means these two triangles are similar, which is given. ABC triangle is similar with the triangle PQR. And here height AD is perpendicular to BC, PS is perpendicular to QR. I have to prove the ratio of areas of these two similar triangles is equal to, means area of triangle, if I consider this triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, these I have to prove it. This is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So one side I have, if I take AB, so AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. So here we are going to prove this theorem with the help of the property of the ratios of areas of a two triangles. So where we are going to take the concept of the area of a triangle half into base into height. So let's start the proof. Here we will consider the ratio of areas of two triangles. So by ratios of areas of two triangles. So what are the areas of these two triangles? Area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle PQR. Here we are going to take the concept of a half into base into height. What is the formula for this? Half into base into height, half into base into height. So here the ratio of base into height. So what is base? BC. Into height, what is height? AC. Sorry, AD. Upon here, what is the base of this? It is QR multiplied by height would be PS. And this I'll consider the statement number 1. Now we'll take the triangle. Which triangle? Here you can find out, because of this height there would be two triangles. But I'm going to consider triangle ADB and PSQ. So in triangle ADB and triangle PSQ. After taking this, I have taken these two triangles. These two triangles are similar. Now I am going to try to prove these two triangles are also similar. Angle B is congruent with angle Q. Why? Because it is a given. You can find AD is perpendicular to BC, so this is a 90 degree. So same way PSQ is a 90 degree. So angle ADB is congruent with angle PSQ. Reason each 90 degree. Now here, if these two angles, pairs of angles, if I found that those are congruent, that means these two triangles would be similar by AA test. So triangle ADB is similar with triangle PSQ. What is the reason for this? AA test. If these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides. So here I am going to consider the side AB because I need it. I want to prove it AB upon AB square upon PQ square. So I will consider AB upon PQ is equal to, this side I have considered, now I will consider the heights of these two triangles. So AD upon PS. What is the reason? Reason is corresponding sides of similar triangle. So this is my equation number 2. But triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQ. These two triangles are similar. So with the help of this given thing, I will write the ratios, corresponding sides ratio. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Third side, I don't want it, so I will not write here. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So this is my third equation. What is the reason? Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now here, if you observe first, second and third. First we'll take the second equation and third equation. In second equation, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Means from second and third, LHS side of these two equation is same. So what about the RHS? Of course, RHS also would be same. So from 2 and 3, AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR. This is, I have got it from second equation and third equation. Now observe our first equation. Now in this first equation, BC upon QR and AD upon PS both are equal. From, this is the fourth equation. From fourth, what BC upon QR, this ratio is equal to AD upon PS. Both the ratios are equal. So instead of AD upon PS, I will replace the BC upon QR. So from 1 and 4, what is 1? First equation, area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle PQR. What do I have? I have BC multiplied by AD and QR multiplied by PS. So I'll write the first ratio as it is, BC upon QR. Now instead of AD upon PS, here I have shown in fourth equation AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR. So instead of writing AD upon PS, I'll write BC upon QR. So here also BC upon QR. Now if it is BC multiplied by BC, it becomes BC square. QR multiplied by QR, it will become QR square. BC square upon QR square. Take a screenshot of this video and just observe it and study it properly afterward. Now I'm going to rub this. If you need it, you can take the screenshot. From this, I have got it, area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. So see here, this is equal to, I have got BC square upon QR square. So instead of proving the remaining two ratios, I will write here, similarly we can prove that area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, now first one of them I have proved it. I will write here AB square upon PQ square, and area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle PQR R is equal to AC square upon PR square. So from these equations, first, second and third, from these three steps, we can prove it that area of a triangle ABC is equal upon area of a triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square. Hence it is proved. Here, this theorem is very important for the exam. Based on these examples, these theorems comes for the 4 marks or 3 marks. Based on it, you can find the examples in the practice set 1.4.